Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most significant trials in history, the trial of Adolf Eichmann, a key architect of the Holocaust. This case not only sought justice for the victims, but also brought the horrors of the Holocaust into the global spotlight. Adolf Eichmann was a high-ranking Nazi official during World War II. He wasn't just a bureaucrat, he was the mastermind behind the logistics of the Holocaust. Eichmann organized the deportation of millions of Jews and other minorities to concentration and extermination camps across Europe. His role was crucial in implementing the final solution, the Nazi plan to annihilate the Jewish people. After the war, Eichmann managed to escape justice. He fled to Argentina, where he lived under the alias Ricardo Clement for over a decade. For years, Holocaust survivors and Nazi hunters searched for him, determined to bring him to justice. In 1960, Israeli intelligence agents, Mossad, finally tracked him down. In a daring covert operation, they captured Eichmann and smuggled him to Israel to stand trial. His capture made headlines worldwide, reigniting discussions about the Holocaust and the need for accountability. Eichmann's trial began in Jerusalem in 1961. He was charged with 15 counts of crimes against humanity, war crimes, and crimes against the Jewish people. The trial was historic. It was the first time the world would hear in detail the systematic atrocities of the Holocaust. Over 100 survivors testified during the trial, sharing their harrowing experiences. Their stories painted a vivid picture of the horrors they endured: starvation, forced labor, and mass executions. One of the most chilling moments was when survivors identified Eichmann as the man who had overseen their deportation to Auschwitz and other death camps. Eichmann's defense was centered on one argument. He claimed he was just following orders. He portrayed himself as a small cog in the Nazi machine, with no personal responsibility for the atrocities. However, the prosecution dismantled this argument. They presented documents, memos, and testimonies proving Eichmann's active and enthusiastic role in organizing the Holocaust. One key piece of evidence was the Wannsee Conference minutes, where Eichmann played a central role in planning the logistics of the genocide. The prosecution argued that Eichmann wasn't just a bureaucrat. He was a willing and eager participant in one of history's greatest crimes. In 1962, after a lengthy trial, Eichmann was found guilty on all charges. He was sentenced to death by hanging, the only time Israel has carried out a death sentence. His execution marked the end of a long journey for justice, but it also left a lasting legacy. The Eichmann trial was groundbreaking. It brought the Holocaust to the forefront of global consciousness, ensuring that the world would never forget the atrocities committed. It also set a precedent for holding war criminals accountable, no matter how much time had passed. Eichmann's trial reminds us of the importance of justice, accountability, and the power of survivors' voices. It's a stark reminder that evil thrives when good people do nothing, and that we must always stand against hatred and oppression. What are your thoughts on the Eichmann trial? Do you think it achieved its goals? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into history and justice. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.